Hey, what's up YouTube? Today we're gonna be replacing this, which needs replacing bad. As you can see, I got holes in it. One bolt holding it on, 10mm socket. Once you take the 10mm socket off, it's a hose down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a hose down there and the hose right here. But once you slide this up, just like this here, it'll come right on out. And the hose gonna be right there. I already took the hose off. Here's the hose right here. Coming from the thermostat, go straight to that. We're gonna be replacing this ugly stock box. With this right here. The Mishimoto. We're starting to dress my motor up a little bit. I'm finna redo this carbon fiber. Y'all just gotta stay tuned, man. I got a lot coming, man. I ain't even finna tell y'all everything I'm finna do, man. Y'all just stay tuned. But yeah, we finna install this right here. Yeah, it's sitting right there. Yeah, I guess it'll be sitting like that there. See the two little holes right there. What you want to do is you're going to take these two little things and sit them on like that. Okay, as you can see, the thing sit on like this. I'm trying to hold the camera and do it for y'all, so y'all bear with me. Bolt on like that there. Alright. And sit like that. The problem is my boat sits right here. So what I'm gonna have to do is bend this, and after I bend this, I get back with y'all. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so I'm back. Got it bent. Now when it sit on there, it'll sit like that. And I just put the can right there. Show y'all what I'm talking about. That's gonna sit like that. Instead of that, remember last time it was going straight down, now I bent it. All I did was use a hair dryer, gave it a little heat and bent it with my hand. See what I'm talking about? Now it's gonna sit like that there. Like I said, I'm working by myself, so I'm finna tighten these bolts down and I'll be back to y'all as soon as I get through tightening these bolts in and show y'all the finished product. Alright, now I got the reservoir position where I want it. As y'all can see, it's just one bolt. Like I said, put it in right there. The hose right here, I left these out because I'm finna clean the hose, but once you get in there where you want it at, it's gonna be a hose right there that you stick in it. Let me get this off for you. You're gonna stick the hose, it's coming from your thermostat, down into that little nipple. After you got it installed, and it's that on that. That's how it look. The Nismo reservoir. It right here broke. It's supposed to be back to the floor and have a clamp right there holding down right there, but we're gonna get another one of these too. And I'm gonna upgrade this one to a Nismo, so that's gonna be chrome. And I'm gonna upgrade this, so everything in this little section is gonna be chrome. And I decided, I think I'm gonna stay with the black one instead of this one, because I ain't just feeling it. Y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all comment, man, and tell me, should I go with the Nismo or should I go back factory? I'm finna clean it, have it looking brand new, but what y'all think? Nismo or the factory? Y'all comment down below and tell me what y'all think. And if you're thinking about getting a Nismo, I highly recommend them. Looks great. Makes the car look a lot better. Got a lot more coming. A lot more coming. Yeah. Got the covers on the way. Those two covers on the way. I'm gonna hydro dip them carbon fiber. So y'all stay tuned for that video. As well as that. Everything finna be carbon fiber and chrome up under here. So y'all like, subscribe, so y'all can get all the latest videos coming. And I also think I'm gonna do something with my Spec D lights. Got a little plan coming. Y'all stay tuned. Till next time. Peace.